This video, as mentioned in the previous one, we combine 3.15 hide classes and 3.16 remove classes as together. So let's go to see the sample directly. Let's move to here. So first, let's learn hide classes means you can also use the show hide command to hide class. In the 3.14, we learn how to hide the attributes or method within a class. Now we are dealing with this class level. So last one, we can also hide the stereotypes and based on stereotype and also hide the circle. So almost all kinds of the element within a class, you can use hide show to do that. And now we learn how to use hide show to do this class level. This may be useful if you define a large this include file, and if you want to hide some classes after inclusion. So when you have an include file, maybe you include too many classes which not directly used on your current diagram, so it will be better you can hide something. So let's create over 03 15 so let's go to here, start UML and UML. So I delete this one. Too many files I opened. So first, very easy. So let's give a title. So hide classes. So what we make is we just make is class 1 and class 2. Call that is foo1, foo2. And then that is very easy. So you can also create something is like is the this calculate like our method. So you can create something like that. Is but no matter is have some content or not, is what we will do is we will just use the hide foo1. So you can immediately hide that. But when you hide, just pay attention is they still occupy some location or positions. So that means it's not really this removed from your model. So that's the reason is you can see is the foo2 is not auto arranged on this position. So so that means is when you have that show foo1 again, then your class is coming here. So that means you can use this hide show. It's just temporarily impact your this display part. But in 3.16 we can compare remove refer versus to this hide. Then you can see the slightly different. So and also if we have a relationship, what's that mean? So foo1 maybe is we have our this foo2. So foo2 is aggregate relation with foo1. When I hide the foo1, so you can see not only hide the foo1, but also hide the relationship. Even this one end of the relationship is referred to foo2. But since we hide the one of the endpoint, so it's no any reason is we show that is our the empty link that it will having this to your this diagram. So that if that link is come to our element or class you are going to hide, then that link is also hide together. Then when you make that shown, then it's shown together with the necessary relationship. So if you have two relationships. So then if you put this as this one, so you have one of these. Oh, another is should be the. Let's see. So is not, you cannot change that, and if you hide that, both of these relationships are hide. So that is the hide show. So it's very easy, because if you are putting to the class level, you just need to follow your class name after the hide or show keywords. So that is very easy. And let's also create the export the PNG file. So I hope it's within the VS Code you still keep practicing that shortcut is Control Shift with P. When you select your PUML file, you start is well popping up our command, the plant. Then first one is because I frequently use this is a PlantUML export current diagram. If it's not showing here, you can just type in this part of that is coming. Just enter first, and it will let you choose the extension. So I just use this PNG, and this generate that in my working path. Working path actually is on the root folder, so I just move that here. So then I have this 315 file. Now let's go to the 316. So compare with the remove. So let me make our start and then title is remove class. So when we see remove, we also learn restore. So when we see hide, we also learn how to show. So that is just our pair of the the keywords. So you may use define a large class similarly is like the ones, but now and one in the 315, but now we want to remove that. So let's create for one just empty. For two, let's create more. For three, so I got 3 class, and I have this for two with for one and for one to for three. So now you can see if I remove for 2, so I suggest suppose this link is also removed. So let's see what's the effect. So, and you can see your diagram also rearranged. So what means rearrange is they treat this for2 is actually removed from your model. So if you use this Archi as an Archimate modeling tool, you may also face some similar concept is when you delete something is we have distinguished you delete from a view or delete from the model. So hide show is similar like is you delete something from the view or from the display or the visual, but remove and the restore, which we learned in the 317, is like you actually delete from model. So once you make this remove, this for2 is actually treated as non-existent in the model anymore. So in your current diagram, it's only left for1 and for3. So that's why they are making the layout rearrange. So compare here is, let's see, if I do is the hide. So if I put here, so if I don't have delete that, you see for2 is here and for1, for3 is on the bottom. Now let's do the hide for2. So you can see here is only make that not displayed, but for1, for3 is still on the bottom, and you have this empty area because empty area was occupied by foo2. When you make that shown, then that will have our ways still shown in the original position. So let's do this way. So when you make that remove, it's actually removed, and now this hide foo2 is no effect, but it's not popping up arrow. And at the same time, is your diagram is re-layout. So this is the reason is I put this 316 together with 315, so you can clearly to compare hide and remove. Next video is we will learn how to do the restore. So see you in the 317. So bye for now.